Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be talking about the things I love about being an adult. Now there is a long list of things that I hate about being an adult. Let's just get that straight and let's just get that popping. There are a few things that bring me joy about being an old person. So let's go ahead and talk about them. So the first thing I love about being an adult is naps. Let me tell you, I thought I took naps as a child, and I did. I take some of the best naps ever as an adult. Like after a long day at work, I come home and take a shower and I get in my cool bed and I have the windows open and I have the sunlight hitting me or the nice sunset in the window and I go to bed. I go to sleep, honey, okay? Especially on like a Friday night or something when I am just beat. I take the best naps. Oh my gosh. And let's not even talk about the naps that I take like in the middle of the night, like from Friday to Sunday, or I mean from Friday to Saturday or from Saturday to Sunday. Like when those naps, oh my gosh, when you just have nothing on your mind, but it's like I've got a whole nother day to like relax. Ooh, or on a PTO day, honey, I am taking me a couple of naps. Like I salivate when I think about taking a good nap. It's just delicious. It's just one of those things. I'm like, nap. My next favorite thing is, for 21 and older, is alcohol. It's just something about coming home and having a nice big cold glass of wine or a really nice ice cold beer that has been just sitting in the fridge with your name on it, and you've been thinking all day, those long 8 hours, that hour in traffic, coming home trying to take a shower, trying to rush and get some dinner done. You think about that ice cold Red's apple beer or that nice bottle of like Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio, Chardonnay or Moscato if you're like me and you don't care, or a nice Shiraz or Zinfandel or red Zinfandel, or a nice passion fruit Truly, Bud Light with the lime or the orange or the lemon. Like it's just something about knowing that that is there waiting for you that just calms my spirit. Like I could be ready to fight somebody and I think that there is a cold alcoholic beverage at home that is waiting on me to eat with a good meal, and I'm good to go. The third thing that I love about being an adult is discount stores. Dollar Tree. Let me tell you something. I will make a whole day out of going to a discount store. If I need to go to Big Lots for something, you can expect not to see me for a couple of hours. Like don't expect me to call you, don't expect me to text you back, don't expect me to like answer your phone call, but I'm not doing it. I'm in Big Lots, okay? I got stuff to do, okay? I got stuff to buy. I need to go up and down each and every aisle because trust me, there is something here in each aisle that I need. We got a pack of washing pods to wash clothes for $10, 100 for $10. Are you serious? Listen, I love me a Big Lots. I love me a Dollar Tree. I will go ham in the Dollar Tree. Like you do not want to see me in the Dollar Tree. I used to do Dollar Tree hauls. I should bring those back. Those were pretty fun. Oh my God, you literally get everything that you need at the Dollar Tree. There's nothing you cannot go in there about. I wouldn't buy my food from there. I buy like snacks, but not like food. But if you got to, do what you gotta do, honey. The Dollar Tree is a one-stop shop. I will forever stand the Dollar Tree, the DT, okay? Period. The next thing I love about being an adult is eating by myself. I didn't appreciate sitting down and having a nice meal at your favorite restaurant or even just at home. Sitting down by yourself and enjoying food. It's just something about it, having that me time with yourself, that is just so refreshing. I remember I went to Break Tops, which is a really nice restaurant here in Nashville. I know they have some in like Atlanta and I think they have some somewhere else, but I went to the one here in Nashville and I just sat down at the bar and I had me a tonic water with some lime because I was on my bougie-ish, and then I had like a Caesar salad and I had the yum roll with the filet mignon and the shrimp tempura, the sushi roll, and I just lived my best life. Like I lived my best life by myself. I was on a PTO day. Like I just took a day off for myself because I was over it all, and I just got really cute, and I went to Bricktops and I was like, I am going to spend some money on myself. I deserve it. It's too much. This was way before Rona, so don't freak out. Like, I went, this was like last year, early last year. So I just went and I sat down by myself and I just enjoyed my own company. And I think I made like one phone call. I spoke with like one of my friends on the phone, or like one of my sisters, but it was a really quick conversation, and I just enjoyed being alone. I enjoyed celebrating myself because I had, you know, moved to Nashville. I had got like a new job, and it was a lot going on. So I just took a day for myself to appreciate myself and to kind of pat myself on the back and say, you're doing a good job. And I think it's really important as adults to, and even kids, I think it's important to have those days where you just congratulate yourself and you celebrate yourself for all the work that you have done. Because baby, listen, in this day and age, if you make it another day, job well done, honey. You deserve a treat for that. You definitely deserve a good meal. So I love having a good meal by myself. And the last thing that I love about being an adult is my plants. As you can see, I have a ton behind me. My new little baby right here. I do not know what it is. I'm gonna have to do a video and show you guys so you guys can tell me what it is, because I tore the name off. I was so excited. But I love my plants, you guys, and I feel like when you get older, you fall in love with things like plants and things like, you know, gardening and things with the environment and things to nurture. I just think it's something about getting older that just brings that out of you. I never thought in a million years that I would have a house full of plants. Like, I never thought that would happen. I always loved plants. I love flowers and stuff, but I never thought I would have my own and be so attached to them. Like, I love my plants so much, you guys. Like, I talk to them, I water them, I take care of them, I go around and I like pet them. I'm always just rubbing their leaves. I'm all up in their face. Like, it's crazy. So the last thing I love about being an adult is planting and having plants and being a plant mom and having something to nurture. And of course I want kids one day, but right now, honey. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I accept both. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll have those links down below as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.